Hello, I am Abranil Ghosh. My roll number is 21IE10001 and I am from section 6, group B of DIY project. And I have made this fire alarm system using the Autodesk Tinkerkad software. To do it, first I have taken an Arduino board and then beside it I have mounted this breadboard. And then in the breadboard I have dragged into a gas sensor, temperature sensor. And in the free workspace I have dragged into a piezo buzzer and a LED. These are for alerting purposes. Then the power sources of the Arduino, namely the 5-volt source and the ground source, are connected to the same of the breadboard. I have colored them with green and red lines. And then the input signals of the gas sensor and the temperature sensor are connected with the ground source and the 5-volt source in the breadboard. And then the V output signal of the gas sensor and temperature sensor, they are connected to the analog pins of the Arduino, namely A0 and A1. In case of the piezo buzzer, the positive pin is connected with the digital pin of Arduino. Here it is P7. And the negative pin of the piezo is connected with a ground pin of the breadboard. Similarly, for the LED, the cathode pin of the LED is connected with the ground pin of Arduino and the other terminal is connected with a digital pin of the Arduino. It's D13 here. As you can see, in some cases, I have connected the resistor. Its purpose is to restrict the current in certain connections, because very high value of current in those connections can lead to damage of the gas sensor and the LED as well. Thus, the basic setup of the fire alarm system is created. And then I have put the code in text mode. Here is the code. The float temp is there because we are changing the temperature. Vout is for output of temperature sensor. Vout1 is when temperature changes and new voltage will be produced. The inputs of LED, gas sensor, piezo are set. Also the pin modes are set for input and output. The inputs are in A0 and A1. The outputs are by LED and piezo. Then coming to the loop. Vout is set in analog read A1. The gas sensor reading is set in analog read A0. Similar cases for Vout1 and temperature. And if temperature is greater than equal to 80 degrees Celsius, which is the threshold temperature, the LED is set to high. It means it will glow. Otherwise, the LED is set to low. Also, if the gas sensor reading is greater than or equal to 100, piezo is set to high. Otherwise, piezo is set to low. This is the code, and now we will simulate it. Start simulation. You can see, so buzzing. Also, the smoke is created around the gas sensor. The piezo buzzer was running because the smoke was concentrated around the gas sensor, and as we take the concentration of the smoke away from the gas sensor, the piezo buzzering is stopped. Also, in the temperature sensor, the value of temperature is in medium scales now. We set it high, and we can see the LED is clearly glowing. These were the works of the alerting purposes, the piezo buzzer and the LED. Now stop simulation. And now I will copy the code so that I can later paste it in Arduino IDE to check if it is properly executing or not. Now we are in the Arduino IDE. Here I will paste the text code of the fire alarm system. Here we go, it's the code. Now I will check if the code is properly executing or not. The process is taking place and the compilation of the code in the Arduino IDE is done without any error. That means the code will run successfully without any problem in the actual Arduino. And thus our project work of the fire alarm system is successful. Thank you.